Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77, and now I can show you how to make this device faster. So, firstly you need to remember the one rule. So this rule you can use with other devices, with other operation system too. So never fill up your internal storage over the 70-75%, because when you fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. This is the rule for every smartphone, laptop or computer PC. So to check your storage, you need to open settings, then scroll down and find here about device. Here find storage, and as you can see I have used 42 gigabytes of 64. So I have used similar to 70% full. So how can I clean my system? How can I free up the space? So first, of course, we need to check what use a lot of space. So in my case, it's system, other, I don't know what it other, documents, audio, apps, 24 gigabytes, APK, images, and others. So firstly, let's open the pre-installed app. We have the great pre-installed app on our device, Phone Manager. So open it, wait a while and click Optimize. Click Clean, find your tools. As you can see here we have no normal cleaner, maybe. Okay. Let's check our files app. Sorry, I need to find it. Files. Okay, files. Open files. Click clean. Here you will see duplicates you can remove from your device. Here you can see the apps you are not using for, so you can remove it. You can check your large files and you can remove it in this way. But first I suggest you remove downloads from your device. Firstly, open download folder, choose files you want to download. I will select all, for example. Click remove, go back, open apps. Here in apps, of course, you have applications you can remove, 2 for example. So click uninstall. In this way you can uninstall unused apps, but I suggest you check the trash folder. In trash you can remove files from the trash bin. Trash bin consumes your internal storage too. And of course you just need to remove games from your device, because games consume a lot of storage. For example, I can remove several games, and in this way, so now for example I have a lot of free space in my device. So let's check about device storage, and as you can see I have used only half of my internal storage. Great. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So for example, as you can see I have 4 gigabytes of RAM, but you can click on RAM in your About phone in settings and enable RAM expansion, and you can expand it to 1 gigabyte, 2 or 4. So I suggest you use 2 gigabytes of expansion, then click back and click restart now. I will not restart it right now, but I suggest you do it. And in this way the part of your internal storage will be used for boost your RAM, for boost your temporary storage. In this way your device will in good condition, because all processors are running at the moment, they are running RAM, and if system notices that is not too much space to work, to run background process or to run new process, so your system starts slowing down. So I suggest you to expand your storage to 2 GB, and in this way you will have 4 GB of RAM and your device will work great. Okay, and that's it. This is all you can do to make your device faster, without boosters, without... of course, you can download the normal Android for your device without ColorOS system, so you can use only normal Android, but of course it's not easy to do. If you will do it, you will lose the warranty for your device, and I don't suggest you to do it when you have the warranty of your device, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.